with 6 News at 11.
Healthy conflict resolution. It's working in Ingham County. A sigh of relief to the prosecutor, who says this year's homicide rate still stands at 0. And it's our top story tonight at 11. Thank you so much for joining us. I'm Siobhan Klepfer.
And I'm Sherry Jones. Ingham County Prosecutor John Duane is crediting collaboration between his office, police, and violence prevention programs for clamping down on gun violence.
Yes, Josh Sanchez has more on how the start of the year has been different than previous years, and also what's stopping this violence. Josh?
Yeah, that's right, Sherry and Siobhan. Today's announcement comes after a peak in 2021 with Ingham County recording 7 homicides. Now, numbers have been dropping since, with 4 recorded in 2022. However, officials are seeing another trend: the young age of people involved.
Unfortunately, a lot of our homicides involve youthful offenders and victims as well. And so I've made a commitment that I will prosecute juveniles as adults if they commit serious gun violence in our community.
Ingham County Prosecutor John Duane says part of the puzzle to tackling violent crime has been changes in his office. Duane says moving to charge felony firearm counts and not offering plea deals on concealed firearm cases has trickled down to would-be offenders. While the courts have yet to see a homicide case in the last 3 months, police have been busy responding to multiple shootings and recently a stabbing.
The non-fatal shootings are still a cause of concern for me. We've had way too many of those. However, we're still working with law enforcement, proactively policing our community, and then working with Advance Peace with recurring and retaliatory violence.
The Advance Peace Initiative has been working in Lansing since 2022. The program brings people at risk of falling into violence together into a fellowship to work out their differences in a safe space.
We're taking the opportunity to bring these individuals together and let them know that this person's a human being just like you. They have family members just like you.
Paul Elam is the Chief Strategy Officer of the Michigan Public Health Institute, the organization managing the Lansing iteration of Advance Peace. He says bridging the gap between people is one part of the initiative. Both mentoring and life skills training are also part of the 18-month curriculum. Today's milestone on Ingham County's homicide rate comes as a current pool of fellowship members wrap up their training with a travel experience in Europe.
Our hope is that when these individuals get back home, they will see each other in a different light. Maybe this individual who I have had a historical feud with, I'll see as a brother.
Now, the Advance Peace Initiative started in Southwest Lansing. In the last year, Elam and his team has been expanding to more neighborhoods in South and North Lansing and is in the process of establishing a group in the city of East Lansing. Back to you.